Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can transfer your crypto from Coinbase to Arculus wallet. So guys, follow me in this video and let's get started. First step guys, you need to do, open your Arculus wallet and click this option, add address. After that guys, go enable your Bitcoin or a coin you want to transfer. After that, for example BTC, you see BTC here from asset. After that guys, copy your address and you can scan your address. After that guys, go to Coinbase and click send option from Coinbase. And after that, what you have to do, write your coin, for example Bitcoin you want to send, and copy your address that come from Arculus wallet, your address or email. And after that guys, after complete the steps, enter your amount you want to transfer from Coinbase and complete these steps and confirm your transaction. This is how you can do guys, basically, to do transfer. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question as soon as possible.